I think the female-led roles always felt very incomplete. It was all about dancing with them and praising them. It still goes on.
True.
So I was always looking for the other part, which I did get from there.
Right.
Which I did. I did my kind of films, but I did say no to a lot of work and consciously chose a path.
I am someone who does what I want to do at the end of the day.
Right.
My journey has been like that. I have come out of the house. I've made my own decisions. I have done things. And I don't know why when they say, sometimes you say no to a certain part instinctively because I might not like something about it. Maybe शायद मुझे कर लेना चाहिए.
Sometimes, of course, you're human. Sometimes ये achieve नहीं होता है. But you try, So I tried, I waited, then I got Mimi and things slowly started changing for me.
I think it is very important that you work with people that you are comfortable with. But I think that's much lower down on my radar. I would much rather work with a younger person who's very, very excited.
I don't care कि इसमें इतना meat है इसमें नहीं. I've done films with 2 scenes also. I've done films with many scenes also, and I've done lead parts also, and I've done small parts also. So for me, a part is a part. पैसे आ रहे हैं अच्छे, मेरा घर चल रहा है, अच्छा कुछ करने को मिल रहा है, मज़ा आ रहा है, सेट पे होने को मिल रहा है.
मैं ये जिम्मेदारी डायरेक्टर पे छोड़ता हूँ. मैं अपना काम करता हूँ, लाइन याद करता हूँ और सेट पे पहुँचता हूँ. उसके बाद की जो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो डायरेक्टर की ज़्यादा होती है.
यार कुछ दिन ना काम पर ऐसे होते जो नीरज से लग सकते हैं बट यू स्टिल गो थ्रू इट क्योंकि यू लव द जॉब. बट कुछ दिन ऐसे होते हैं व्हेन यू सिट एंड यू फील एक्सट्रीमली प्रिविलेज्ड बिकॉज ऐसे कलाकारों से बैठ के रूबरू बात करने मिलती है जो आप शायद सोच भी नहीं पाते थे. दिस इज इंडीड दैट डे. Hi everyone, this is Kunal Kothari. You're watching me on IWM Bus, and I am here with perhaps the most alluring ensemble to be assembled ever. Anjali Anand, Shalini Pandey, Jyotika ma'am, Shivana ma'am, Gajraj Rao, Sai Tamankar. Hi guys.
Hello. बहुत ही अच्छी तारीफ कर ली आपने.
Thank you. But everyone deserves it, and there is no, modesty about it. I will start. Of course, I've seen the 3 episodes that were provided. It's so much fun. I'll say fun because the world building is amazing, and I love जहाँ पे बहुत सारी parallel storylines चल रही होती है, and there is one hook to it. It's the best. So coming to this, amongst the many things that Dabba Cartel is trying to themes, it's trying to explore. There's so much going on, right? But I think the most obvious one, and in the best way possible, is the casual sexism that women face literally on an everyday basis and across the gamut. Because you see Nimisha's character also obviously facing, which you probably anticipate, but your character also facing it to such a large extent with his, with her husband and how the whole dynamic is. My question is that स्क्रिप्ट के अलावा जब आपके पास ऐसा किरदार आता है एंड इट्स बीन डन सो मच राइट द एक्सप्लोरेशन एंड हाउ इट गोज ऑन इन अ शो, जब आपके पास ऐसा किरदार आता है हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर दैट इट डज नॉट बिकम इन द फेस एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट गोज आउट विद द इंटेंडेड मैसेज.
मैं ये जिम्मेदारी डायरेक्टर पे छोड़ता हूँ. मैं अपना काम करता हूँ, लाइन याद करता हूँ और सेट पे पहुँचता हूँ. उसके बाद की जो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो डायरेक्टर की ज़्यादा होती है मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि सिनेमा जो मीडियम है वो डायरेक्टर का है. हमारी उतनी मतलब आपको लगता होगा लेकिन हम इतनी पहुंच होती नहीं है हमारी.
Anyone else, please?
I think the way it's written, I think that makes it easy for us. No, ma'am, you.
No, it's the same. I was going to say the same thing. It's in the way that it is written, because I really believe that the writer is the real person, especially in television. Of course, it's a collaborative medium, and the director is the one who's putting it all together, but it's the writing. And in the writing, you get a lot of subtext that you have to discover on your own. It's not only in the lines. So I think that's where the actor comes in.
Right, fair. And another thing, and this is like a part question, because I have to ask something to Anjali, Shalini and Sai, because one part of this question is that the kind of scripts that keep being offered thanks to the OTT revolution, and everybody's getting great work and it's the best thing ever. But there are so many yeses and nos that you have to say to the scripts that come across. How much more difficult has it become to say yes and no to a project just based on the script or based on the people that who are collaborating on it?
मुझे नहीं लगता इतना difficult है. If you're clear in your head, I don't think it's difficult. मतलब आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए what you are doing, what you want to do. you know, everybody has their own do's and don'ts in their head. जो खुद को पता होते हैं, तो मुझे नहीं लगता इतनी तकलीफ होती है हाँ या ना बोलने के लिए.
The both of you?
I think sometimes you're calculated, sometimes you're not. Most of the times I'm not. I'm instinctive. That way I go with my instinct and my intuition. So जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि हर की ना अलग-अलग चीज़ें होती है that you see. कि ओ इसके लिए I'm more excited to do that और ये नहीं करना है मुझे. So I think everyone has that clarity, to each its own. So depending on that, yeah.
Right.
I don't think I say no to many things. काम आता है मैं हाँ बोल देती हूँ. If the money is good and if I'm excited to do it, I don't care कि oh इसमें इतना meat है इस money. I've done films with 2 scenes also. I've done films with many scenes also, and I've done lead parts also, and I've done small parts also. So for me, a part is a part. पैसे आ रहे हैं अच्छे, मेरा घर चल रहा है, अच्छा कुछ करने को मिल रहा है, मज़ा आ रहा है, सेट पे होने को मिल रहा है. तो ना तो अनलेस इट्स अ वेरी बिग कैटास्ट्रॉफिक रीजन आई विल नॉट से इट कि मुझे पैसे नहीं दे रहे हैं या मुझे बहुत बुरी तरह ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. आई डोंट इफ आई डोंट लाइक समवन द वे दे स्पीक आई विल नॉट टेक द पार्ट. यू नो, समवन नॉट स्पीकिंग टू मी विद रिस्पेक्ट, मे इट बी एनीबडी. सो इतना तो हाँ ना का मेरा चक्कर है नहीं, बट थोड़ा मुझे अगर मज़ा आ गया रीड करते करते, बिकॉज आई सी इट एज अ इवन व्हेन आई वॉच अ फिल्म और एनीथिंग ऑफ माइन, आई माइट नॉट सी माई सेल्फ, आई वॉच इट एज अ, मतलब पहले मुझे भी रॉकी रानी देख रही थी, मुझे लग रहा था कि अगर मुझे पिक्चर खराब लगी तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगेगा, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू बी इन द फर्स्ट फ्लॉप फिल्म आफ्टर यू नो लाइक एवर टाइप, यू नो इतनी बड़ी पिक्चर बन रही है, आई डोंट वांट टू बी इन अ बैड फिल्म, फ्लॉप तो नहीं, आई बैड फिल्म, यू नो. एंड आई लव सिनेमा, आई लव एवरीथिंग, आई वॉच एवरीथिंग. तो मुझे अच्छी चीज़ों का पार्ट बनना है जो मुझे भी देखने में अच्छा मजा आए. सो आई डोंट थिंक इतना ही नो का प्रॉब्लम.
I think we all read the script wanting to say yes, right? उसके बाद तो मतलब
काम मिल रहा है, बहुत लोग हैं जिनके पास काम नहीं है, so you should feel lucky if you're on a set and if you're doing something or the other every day.
Fair. And the same question to the three of you is obviously a very different dynamic, I would say, right? Because y'all are at a stage where multiple decades you've spent in the industry. Of course, these guys have as well. But yeah, I'm purely talking about the experience y'all have had, and y'all have seen it all. Y'all have done it all. The yes/nos are so much more, I would say different in a way, because you would also be offered like 1,000 things, and not necessarily everything reaches to you, and not necessarily, obviously, everything is appealing. What is the factor? See, everybody talks about the script and director and everything. But at this stage where you've done so much, what is it that still excites you, the purity of it? Or is it just that, I'm still talking about the people that I want to work with?
पैसा बोलता है पैसा.
Ma'am, please.
I think, I'm in the happy place where I don't have to say yes to anything unless I really wanted to do it. And I want it for different reasons. I want it sometimes because it's a young director and I can see that the young director has a lot of passion. I enjoy working with younger people because, I tease them all the time. लेकिन उनको ऐसा लगता है कि अगर ये shot नहीं हुआ जैसे मैं चाहता हूँ तो मैं मर ही जाऊँगा. All that passion you've got into it. I just love the dynamics of that. But sometimes it can be even the part need not necessarily be very huge,
right,
but it has to be significant. There should be a reason why this character is there. And I think it is very important that you work with people that you are comfortable with. But I think that's much lower down on my radar. I would much rather work with a younger person who's very, very excited.
Right. Ma'am, please.
I've made a lot of choices. I've said no to a lot of things. I've made conscious choices after I had a decade when, I
Exactly.
finished working with the heroes in South. Probably after 28, I said yes to very few films. And it was a conscious decision because coming from South, we are a more male-dominated industry. And the change has come in now, I think, even in Bollywood. But down south, it's more written for the male, and when you're pairing up with a male protagonist, I think the female-led roles always felt very incomplete. It was all about dancing with them and praising them. It still goes on.
True.
So I was always looking for the other part, which I did get from there.
Right.
Which I did. I did my kind of films, but I did say no to a lot of work and consciously chose a path. And I think that path is leading me to diversify further today. So I am made out of the choices I made.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Fabulous. And Gajraj sir, aap bhi.
मतलब हाँ, टाइम मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा गया है, लेकिन मैं इतना काम कर नहीं पाया हूँ इन दोनों जितना। मैं उस मामले में इनके साथ हूँ। मैं अभी बच्चा हूँ, मेरे पास काम आया नहीं है, लेकिन वो जितना आता है वो उसमें कॉम्बिनेशन होता है बहुत सारी चीज़ों का। मेन तो होता है लोग किनके साथ काम कर रहे हो, वो 1, 1.5, 2 महीना, 2.5 महीना आप अच्छे से गुजारोगे कि नहीं गुजारोगे। और ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो टाइम अच्छे से गुजरेगा लेकिन बैंक बैलेंस में कुछ इजाफा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि EMIs हैं 2-3, वो हर समय तलवार लटकती रहती है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो ये होता है। तो स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी होनी चाहिए, लोग अच्छे होने चाहिए, या जैसे शबाना जी ने बताया कि कोई एक डेब्यू डायरेक्टर की वो बहुत, जैसे शुभ मंगल ज़्यादा सावधान, हितेश केवलिया ने वो कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में जब कहानी सुनाई आनंद राय जी के ऑफिस में 2.5 घंटे बैठ के, तो उसके बाद कुछ और सवाल नहीं थे कि यार ये आदमी यहाँ कागज पन्ने के सामने बैठा हुआ बिना कागज में देखे कहानी सुना रहा है इतनी खूबसूरती के साथ, ये कहानी अच्छी बनेगी। और मुझे इस आदमी के साथ, मैं जबकि क्योंकि चेहरे अलग अलग आपको एक्सपीरियंस दे सकते हैं, कोई चेहरा बहुत प्यारा हो सकता है, कोई चेहरा बहुत क्रूर हो सकता है, लेकिन उसका जो इंटेंट है पढ़ते हुए नजर आता है, बोलता है यार ये सही है, मुझे इसके साथ ये 6 महीने गुजारने हैं।
करेक्ट।
उसमें यहाँ पे जैसे हुआ कि ये कहानी बहुत अच्छी है, शबाना जी हैं इसके अंदर, ये जर्नी अच्छी होगी, ये इसमें गलत होने के चांसेस कम है।
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली।
मतलब बेसिकली जुआ खेल रहे होते हैं हम।
हाँ, दैट्स ट्रू, सही बात है।
All in blind.
करेक्ट। एंड यू नो आई वाज रिसेंटली टॉकिंग टू प्रतीक गांधी एंड मैं उनसे वो इंटरव्यू में बात कर रहा था, एंड it is fascinating that amongst the lot of actors we have, he's one of the few ones that, you know, who was extremely loved for a character and then he's managed to break the shackles out
Yeah.
of it.
Yes.
It's very rare, right? Because once you're loved for something, the industry also
Yeah.
looks you the same way and sort of audience also expects you. For all of you who's done, and people maybe or may not accept something, expects the same thing from you, for all of you, how difficult has it become? Considering you guys have been there for longer, you're also gradually, has it become more difficult? Because if you're love for something, you will constantly, you know, have those kind of things coming to you, and somehow you have to keep saying no, or you're like कि चल ये वाला कर देते हैं, any of those things.
सर मेरा इतना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट रहा नहीं है अभी तक। मुझे अभी आई थिंक बहुत टाइम है टू रीच दैट स्टेज कि अरे ये सिर्फ ऐसे रोल करती है। मुझे देख के ऐसा लगता होगा कि एक ही है, मगर अगर आप देखो तो बहुत डिफरेंट रोल्स किए हैं अभी तक, बट उतना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट रहा नहीं है कि पीपल विल जस्ट से कि ये ऐसा ही रोल करती है या ये ही करती है या कुछ सर्टन की यही टाइप के पार्ट्स करती है। बट हाँ, आई थिंक आई नीड 10 more years to I think get that tag on.
सही।
After Hunter, I went through this phase
Yeah.
for good 3 years, and I think you have to have faith in yourself, and you have to wait. You have to be patient. There's no other way, honestly. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस टाइम में आप जो करते हो, that's going to define you, and you know you have to be very careful, mindful during this phase, and sometimes of course you're human, sometimes ये achieve नहीं होता है, but you try, you know. So I tried, I waited, then I got Mimi, and
Yeah.
things slowly started changing for me, and I'm happy that it happened. But I was very patient. I believed in myself. So yeah.
Fabulous. And now you're there everywhere in the best way. I really
Thank you.
गजराज सर, आप
लिमिटेड ऑप्शंस है मेरे पास, तो चॉइसेस ज़्यादा नहीं है। तो जो मुझे मिल रहा है ना, वो जो होता है ना, जो जब आप सब्जी मंडी जाते हैं और वहाँ पे कुछ सब्जियों के कुछ तो ढेर लगे होते हैं और कुछ जगह पर जो आपको सब्जी चाहिए होती है उसके कुछ ही पीस बचे होते हैं, उसमें से जो बेस्ट अवेलेबल है वो आपको लेना है। तो मैं उस मुकाम पर हूँ अभी।
राइट, ऑफ कोर्स।
तो उसमें जब मतलब कि जब बधाइयों के बाद कि फादर उस तरह के कैरेक्टर, लेकिन अब मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, फादर बैंकर है, फादर कुछ और है, उसका कुछ और ट्रेजेक्ट्री है, कुछ और उसके अंदर है कि या खाली वो फादर है, लेकिन अगर नहीं होगा, खाली है महीने बहुत सारे, मैं कर लूंगा, क्या एतराज है, क्या ही मतलब कोई क्राइम थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ।
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली। शबाना मैम, फॉर यू?
My career has been about having the courage to say no. And when I stuck by it, a lot of times, I mean, I also had to face, complete surprise from the producers, and they said, but this whole film is about you. But I said, but see what she's saying.
Right.
Please, for heaven's sake, just the fact that you've got the main lead doesn't mean anything. Then they tell me, but if you don't do it, somebody else will. I said, well, that's her burden. She has to carry it, but I will not to do it. Sometimes for little things, sometimes for big things. So, अब problem ये हो गई है कि कोई मेरे पास रोल आता ही नहीं जिसमें कुछ पावर नहीं हो, जिसमें कुछ ये नहीं हो. भैया अब मैं इस लेवल पे पहुंचूं कि like for instance, I myself was very surprised when Karan Johar offered me
The part in Rocky
You're
Rani.
Running. I had absolutely no idea why he took me, and when he took me, it took me by surprise, and I thought, oh well, let's try this.
Yeah.
And it gave me a lot of satisfaction and a lot of acclaim for it also. So many of the younger people who haven't seen my work suddenly identify me with Germany. So I had a good time with that.
Absolutely, absolutely. Ma'am, for you?
No, I think like Sai said, the patience, and like ma'am said, your choices, that's what defines it. But I also feel luck plays a big factor. I mean, I just feel that has to be in every artist's kitty. कि वो एक turn आएगा, you know, and then things change. But it's your choices and your patience largely which define you.
Yeah. And finally, Shalini, to round it up.
You know, I have been very fortunate. Also, I am someone who does what I want to do at the end of the day.
Right.
My journey has been like that. I have come out of the house, I've made my own decisions, I have done things. And I don't know why, when they say, you know, sometimes you say no to a certain part instinctively because I might not like something about it. Maybe शायद मुझे कर लेना चाहिए क्योंकि नहीं कर रहे, like how sir said, नहीं कर रहे कुछ क्या जा रहा है करने में. But I'm also someone who's थोड़ी moody. मतलब if I don't like something, I will not do it. If I like something, I will do it. And weirdly, I think since my journey has been like that, I've had the guts to say no.
Yeah.
Money, no money, as she said, like I have been fortunate कि something has been arranged. मतलब गाड़ी रुकी नहीं है, चली है, तो मतलब है, thankfully, touch wood. Yeah.
Absolutely. All of these fascinating stories, and perseverance is something
Yeah.
everybody goes through no matter what stage in your career. I really, really wish this could have been a longer conversation because it's so much fun talking to the legend, to all these amazing stars. But unfortunately, we're running short of time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I had a great time watching the 3 episodes. Cannot watch to wait the rest of them. And of course, all the best and all love but nothing else.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.